Hello guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is Edio. So today I want to work on another lamp. This lamp was owned by another customer, a colleague of mine. I had already opened it in the office, but when I saw it, it wasn't something I could easily fix while there. So I said, okay, let me bring it down here. And this is the lamp. This is the battery that came with it. I'll have to open it and see the capacity of the cells. Seems like they were connected in series. I'm seeing this board here. This. It seems like they were connected in series. Okay. And then looking at the lamp itself, the battery is still working, which means that I won't really have much work aside from changing the charging system, replacing the batteries. Now I have these cells. These two cells I'm going to use. Each of them is rated 2000 mAh, which means that I have 4000 here. It's going to be here. Then I'll change the charging system to this charging system I used the other time. It was TP40 something, I've forgotten. I'll put the description in the video. Now this lamp came with these solar panels. It's very small, so it won't really serve the purpose of charging this battery. So I'll easily disconnect it. What was also interesting is that this lamp came with this USB to 2.1 connector. It is plugged here. For those that have this lamp, they will easily see it. It is plugged here in this jack. It is plugged here in this jack. So what I'm going to do is, instead of making a hole or a space to accommodate this, and then I have to use a mini USB charger to charge it, I'll simply place this here, I think somewhere here. Then I'll connect directly from the port to this, since it uses a USB charger. What I'll do in this case is that I'll connect wires directly to the positive and negative terminals of the charging module, instead of having to use the micro USB to charge it. So I'll connect wires directly to the charging module. So here you can see that the battery is bad. It's no longer as good as it was before, but the light will still come on. This states it. See, the light will come on. It is very low, but it still comes on. The switch is equally good. The touch is also coming on. The switch is good, so I won't have to change the switch in this lamp. So as usual, I have to test my charging module to be sure it is working. So without charging the battery, it comes on blue. Okay, so let me start the work of unpacking the batteries and rewiring everything. I could not have done this under the soldering will not be done under the camera because of the settings I have here. It's not really strong enough. So like I said, the battery was connected in series, so I have to remove them. And then see, I tried on soldering, but at some point in time I had issues, so I had to just stop any soldering work in the camera. The table I have here is plastic in nature, so it's not really strong enough for the work I have to do. Okay, so this is the port that I'm going to use for charging. At first I was concerned about the LEDs that shows the charging status. It may also take part of the current that is meant to charge the battery. So I have to see after connecting everything and testing if the battery will charge very well or if I'll have to disconnect the LED. But it does serve as a good indicator when it is charged and when it's not charging. So I've done the connection already to, after identifying the place I'm going to connect my charging module. I've done the connection already. So let me see the connection, see it's working as expected. It's under no load, so the light was going to be blue. But I want to now put the battery in it and see how it responds to the charging. So testing the charging of the batteries to see if it's actually going to do what I want it to do. So I'm unplugging and plugging again. Okay, the light changes to red. So the battery is charging. Testing again, it's charging. So I thought of placing the battery in the middle. I'm testing its bright. This battery is fully charged and is high in capacity. So using the double-sided tape, I'm holding the charging module in place. So the battery, at first I thought of putting it in the middle, but however, after trying to fix everything up, I saw that the battery is too big to be in the middle. So I just had to change my plans. So now as you can see, the wire connected to the battery is extended. The battery is going to be in the base of the lamp, no longer in the middle. Then I have to use different sets of double-sided tape to hold it in place. It could no longer be there in the middle because the lamp would not close. So after fixing and testing everything, after putting the battery at the base and everything has been tested, fixing the lamp back was another challenge in itself because the buttons were always falling off each time I tried to close it. It took me some time before I could eventually assemble everything without the buttons falling off. I think it took me more than 40 minutes. It was really stressful. But however, that part of the work is done, as you can see, very soon. Then what is left is for it to be screwed back. So this is it about this lamp. The work is done. It's working fully well. It's saving I'm sure the owner is going to be happy. So please find time to like this video. I'm sure you learn one or two things from it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing in more content like this in the future. There will be a lot of other projects I'll engage in, so like, share and subscribe so that you'll be notified next time I post a video. Thank you.